Hey guys, it's Phil from Dupli, your partners in print. We are here with the very impressive Epson Shore Color P6500D 24 inch and also the bigger brother, the 8500D, the 44 inch. This is now in our showroom here in Leicester. We can do demonstrations on the 24 inch and 44 inch version. So if you'd like to come and see it, we're very well located, junction 21 of the M1. We have a beautiful showroom here in Leicester with all the Epson equipment. You can also see the 9500, the 12 colour, and also the 9300, which is the 10 colour. So we have the 6500, we have the 8500, we have the 9300, we have the 9500, all available in our showroom in Leicester to come for a demo. So contact us, drop us a note, ring us, WhatsApp us, whatever you want to do. Come here to Leicester to see these wonderful printers in action.